bunches. We make wreaths out of them. And as you can see today, we're making a flower crown. Y'all, a hairy ball crown is in progress. And this is a gardener's workshop. Baseball cap. It's to keep me from that stuff tripping on me. And if you aren't familiar with hairy balls, this is what hairy balls is. Gumbocarpus spizocarpus. This is the seed pod. And this is my favorite size, the littler ones. Really useful in bouquets. People love them as bunches. We make wreaths out of them. And as you can see today, we're making a flower crown. And there's the little insignificant flower that happens first.
Let's say you